our website at radioseagull.com.
Radio Seagull, your worldwide station.
Radio Seagull, big and getting bigger.
New music on Radio Seagull, very new music on Radio Seagull. James McInerney is a poet and lyricist, and a very good one. He did the words. He lives in Northamptonshire in the English Midlands. Annie was singing. She's originally from Cologne in Germany. Love the Christmas markets you guys have over there at this time of year. She's been living in San Francisco for about the last 12 months or so. Been playing the guitar and singing to herself for her own amusement for about the past 16, 17 years or so. I reckon she's got a very bright future ahead of her.
1, 2.